What's up, guys? Welcome back to RT2CC Comic Club, and I apologize for being gone for so long. You probably won't notice because I probably uploaded the video right before this one, pretty much right before it, but I did take like a week break from filming, so I'm doing another recap video, and you might notice in the beginning I showed my desk. It's much cleaner now. Holy crap, am I happy. I filmed a video, and I hopefully will have uploaded it by now, but I did a video about, I'm starting a new playlist on being productive, and the first video was about cleaning the work area. I got these new drawers from IKEA to put all my stuff in. All that veneer, that wood that you used to see in this corner of the desk, you might remember that it used to be here, is now in drawers, and it's just, man, I love having it in drawers where I'm not like having it stare at me in the face and distracting me. Yeah, so hopefully you guys are getting inspired by that new series, so hopefully I'll be a few videos in by the time I upload this video. But anyways, let's get into it. I haven't been watching much news, obviously, because I've been working on this office for the last 3 days. I've been working on house stuff. We have a new patio we're trying to put in, my friend and I, and it's just a lot of stuff going on. We got a new mattress, we got like lots of stuff happening, and I've been tutoring a lot. It's May, so finals month. I've been like tutoring almost nonstop. And then in June it's gonna kind of die off. I'm only gonna be tutoring like 1 or 2 kids. So this month's gonna be kind of hectic, but even more reason why I needed to clean my work area, because I used to hate coming in here, and now I actually enjoy it because it's like clean for once. If you guys have been watching my vlog, you've seen that this place has always been a mess, but I'm so happy that it is finally clean. So let's just get into the video. I'm only gonna talk about Nvidia today, but I'm gonna recap the last 5 trading days, and we're just gonna go from there. So let's just get started. Wednesday, I'm gonna post some screenshots of how the stocks did. So you know how I always do that, I just post the screenshots and have it kind of move, animate itself. So I'm gonna do that. Wednesday was pretty nice, actually. That was our best day in the last 5 days. We made a little over 7 grand. So you can see, I'll post our winners in the corner here. I've been using my TD Ameritrade app, pretty much only using that one. I don't even use the desktop that much anymore. It's just the app is so much more convenient. But yeah, so Wednesday was the day before earnings for Nvidia. So there was a little bit of hype. I believe Nvidia went up, I can't remember, but on Thursday, we made about $6,500. And I did a lot of trading on that day. So I bought some Micron calls, I bought Adobe calls. I'll post on the screen here what I bought so you guys can kind of see what I did. I did buy a short-term Nvidia call thinking the stock would go up after earnings, just because Nvidia has been killing it lately, and you'll see in a minute what happened with that. But Nvidia did go up $4.35 a share, so that was awesome. And then after the bell, you know, shit hit the fan. Nvidia reported good earnings. Like, it was solid. They beat estimates. They had $3.2 billion in revenue versus $2.91 billion estimated. Their total revenue went up 66% from a year ago period, like the year ago period. I think that's amazing. The gaming revenue went up 68%. Keep an eye on the gaming industry, because it's still, I feel like, it's still growing. I mean, there's only a few colleges right now giving scholarships. I expect almost every college to give one, at least more than half, in the next 5 years, until people stop going to college and just doing everything online, or virtual reality, which we can talk about that later. But anyways, yeah, to hit $1.72 billion in revenue for gaming. Data center revenue surged 71% to reach a quarterly record of $701 million from data center revenue. So yeah, so I bought, you know, the Nvidia call, May 25th expiration, $262.50 strike. But then the earnings hit, and then, well, I just talked about them, but apparently that wasn't good enough for a lot of people. So I'll post some, there's one headline said, from Zach's, Nvidia crushes Q1 earnings estimates. And then another article said, chipmaker Nvidia stock falls on data center miss. So it's like one little thing misses, and then the stock goes down. It doesn't make sense. No matter how many positive things happened, it's like the one negative thing people focus on. I think that's the problem with a lot of these investors. They focus on the negatives a little bit too much. But the good news is that creates opportunities for people like us who kind of see the big picture. And whenever Nvidia dips is usually a time I'm looking to buy. That's just my personal, non-financial advisor opinion. But anyways, Friday stocks started going down. Nvidia went down, I believe. We lost about 4 grand Friday. And then on Monday, we lost about $2,400, kind of going quickly. So I'll post the screenshots for Friday right now. Kind of see, I'll move them kind of quick. But you can see, yeah, how the stocks did. And then let's go to Monday. I'll post those screenshots here. Monday, now I did some more trading on Monday. So definitely didn't have time to film a lot because I was doing a lot of trading. Whenever I'm doing a lot of trading, I'm really paying attention to what's going on with the prices, so it takes me a while. Besides selling the covered call, that only takes like a minute. I sold the covered call for Universal Display. I went $1 lower in my strike price this time to make a little bit extra premium, just because I don't see like OLED's doing much anymore. So I feel a little safer picking a lower strike, collecting that extra money. So I made $27.33 that time for that covered call, as opposed to usually I make like $16 or $17. And then I bought three Alibaba calls. I only meant to buy 2. I don't know what happened with the app, but it bought 3, and I didn't want to do that. So that means my margin balance was negative, which means I owe TD Ameritrade money. So then I started selling some stuff to get some of that money back, so I don't have to owe them. So I sold Albemarle because I was down a lot on them. Sold AMD, I sold Citigroup, Activision Blizzard, Home Depot, Weight Watchers, and Win. I sold all those calls, but then I bought back Activision, Blizzard, Weight Watchers, and then I bought 20,000 more shares of Hemp and Hemp Americana, just because it was cheap. It was only like $200, or I forget how much it was, 500? I forget, but I still don't have that much money invested in them, but I have 50,000 shares now of each one. So if in the next few years Hemp, picks up, we'll be sitting pretty. So yeah. Okay, finally, Tuesday. I didn't take a screenshot, but I did the math. We lost about $7,700. Yeah, I believe that's pretty much where we ended off. Now, I forgot to talk about a lot of articles. So I'm gonna post links in the description, so do check that out if you just want to see in case you missed anything. I know it'll be like a month from now by the time you see this, but just in case you missed anything that's important, just at least look at the headlines or look at the links and see what happens. So we're gonna leave it at that. So if you liked the video, please hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. I'm trying to catch up here, so these recap videos are gonna help a lot. So yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys had a fantastic day, and we'll see you tomorrow.